A crow just flew into that top window, and out came pigeons and birds. I couldn't get the camera on there. They're all going now. Where's Mr. Crow? That's the same window that I had a picture of Father McGilvery, who built the church. He's buried right there. I got a photograph of him standing in that window. There's no power or anything on. The place is closed. I'm up here today because my mom is buried here, and my brother Chuck, my grandfather, my aunts, uncles. And this church is very significant in my life, St. Alphonsus. And today is a day that'll have to be put down in my memory bank forever, because I'm waiting for that dreaded call, whether someone has made it through surgery or not. And there's the crow. You can see him sitting on the... Yeah, that's you. I see ya. So what's your purpose today, Mr. Crow? Huh? What is it? Yeah? Sorry. If my friend makes it. Bye. Well, I'm waiting for that dreaded call, whether you make it or you don't make it. Either way, my friend Father Alec McClellan, he's going to win. If he makes it, great. If he dies, he gets to heaven, because he's a very holy man. So we're going to see what this day brings as we move forward. Have a blessed day.